In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to seamlessly integrate Canada Post with your Shopify store. This integration will enable your store to access negotiated rates and display Canada Post shipping rates at checkout for your customers. Beginning with your Shopify admin, you'll want to start by navigating to the Settings option. Within the settings, there are several options, but the one we are interested in is Shipping and Delivery. This is where you'll be managing all your shipping-related settings and integrating third-party carrier services like Canada Post. So go ahead and click on this option. Once you've entered the shipping and delivery settings, there's a section labeled Carrier Accounts. This is essentially a list of all the carrier services you have or will be integrating with Shopify. Look for the option to Add Canada Post. The interface is typically very user-friendly, so you should be able to spot this option easily. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. At this juncture, you'll need to enter your Canada Post business account details. This includes your customer number, API username, and password. It's important to note that these details are unique to your business account with Canada Post, so you should ensure accuracy when entering them into the required fields. This link between your Shopify store and Canada Post is facilitated by these details, so ensure you've got the correct information from your Canada Post business account. Enter these details accordingly. Next comes the Agreement of Service terms. Like any service, it's important that you go through these terms to understand the nature of the service and its rules. Once you're satisfied with the terms and conditions, agree to them. After agreeing to the terms, the final step involves setting up the payment method. Shopify offers flexibility in selecting how shipping costs will be paid for. The options include charging to your Canada Post account or using a credit card. Your choice here will depend on your business model and your preference, so choose the one that fits best for you and your business. Once you choose a suitable payment method and complete the setup, your Shopify store will now be integrated with Canada Post. Your store now has access to negotiated rates and can display Canada Post rates at checkout, providing a smooth checkout process for your customers and making your online business operations more efficient. And voila, there you have it. With a few clicks, you've successfully integrated Canada Post with your Shopify store. This will undoubtedly bring about ease and improved customer experience when dealing with deliveries.